Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are interested in using Zapier or GoHighLevel but you don't have any idea about these different tools, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will talk about the basic and fundamental thing and which one is for what type of work and which one will be better for your work. So basically, Zapier and GoHighLevel are two different tools. They're not direct competitors, first of all, but people often compare them. Zapier is an automation tool. It's connect apps together, like different kind of apps. You can connect them. For example, if someone fill out a form on your website, Zapier can send their information on Google Sheets, Gmail, or Slack. So it's like a robot that connects apps without any coding. But if I talk about GoHighLevel, this is more than just automation. It is a full platform for agencies and service businesses. So because it has the CRM, funnel builder, email, SMS marketing, appointment booking, all in one place. And yes, GoHighLevel is also has automation feature like workflows. So the main thing is Zapier is good for connecting many apps together, and GoHighLevel is good for running your whole business. Okay, so especially if you are freelancer or agency owner. So I just want to say that if you only need to connect apps, then you should use Zapier. But if you want an all-in-one platform with CRM, funnel management, emails, automation, then GoHighLevel is better for you. So now I hope you understand the difference between these Zapier and HighLevel. So I hope now you have a clear understand between Zapier and GoHighLevel. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.